Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about this gorgeous beautiful hair. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make this clip in wig. I know it looks so beautiful. It looks like my natural hair. I'm loving it. So if you want to know how I made this hair, please keep on watching, and please make sure you watch this video to the end so you can understand how I achieved this hair. Thank you so much for your support, and let's get started. So the first step is to place the wig cap on the head of the mannequin. You don't need any lace net on this type of wig. So I'm gonna start installing the hair as usual. I'm going to install all the hair until this wig cap is fully covered. It's really simple. Just keep watching and you will get it.
I know that you're afraid, it feels like every day things are slipping away, you're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Ooh. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. I know that you're afraid, it feels like every day things are slipping away, you're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Ooh.
After installing the hair, I'm gonna sew down this clip on it. This is what I'm gonna use to hold the wig down on my head. You can use any type of clip that you have, and this is what I'm gonna be using. This clip is super strong and it can hold the hair very well without falling off. I'm gonna be using 3 of this clip. I'm only going to sew it in the front of the wig. I'm not going to sew any clips in the back because I want this wig to be very comfortable when I wear it. I don't want anything attacking my scalp and all that, so I'm just going to use only 3 in the front.
But now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time.
Now I'm gonna show you guys how to wear the hair. Before you wear it, make sure you section out your hair like that. If you cannot get your hair to stay like this, you can always unroll the back of the hair and leave out the front area like that. Now ahead and clip the wig in.
Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out.
This is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this hair in the comment section. Thank you all. I will see you in my next video. Bye.